Chairman.
Ndoda emnyama.
Unjani mfowethu?
Hey, iKaizer Chiefs iveneza nenyeke manje.
Izenenye.
Yavene yama endleleni yemali.
Yeah.
Kodwa I think disallowing goal ka police
Yeah.
destroying everything. Yeah. Kodwa ke message yami engizodlulisa kwi Orlando Pirates family ukuthi never give up until last game. Anything can happen. Ubona umdlalo bemuhle ne-attendance ibenhle, i-atmosphere yeSoweto Derby ibe yilento siyaziyo ukuba iba so. Yebo ukupredicta iSoweto Derby kuba kancane ukuthi uyikhane. Ngithi we ekwenzeke ngakhona, this is a Soweto Derby, but i-support kubadlali bethu ne-team yethu sosoloko sibanikeza zabo yona until size kube egcineni. Abajida after 1-0 down aye abona ukuthi konakele avuka asibamba futhi athe masevuka ezibamba abeyifoster iwin basho kona ukuthi it's too late, but the way abadlale ngakhona on my side I'm happy. Angeke ngithi imali yami ngiyimoshile ngokuzokweseka i-team ebengikufuna. Into ejabulisa thina abalandeli amagoli, uyabona ke iDerby mayiba namagoli noma ngabe ngadrowa ngo-5-5 as long inamagoli iDerby yona into esifunayo. Uzubona iDerby the way ongakhona ibukelwe ngisho nomlandeli weSundowns wayeke ukuye emhlathuze washuza ukuthi Derby is the best. Wazobukela nabanye abama-team ebekumele bayawasupport ama-team wabo bayawayekile ngoba befuna ukwenza sure ukuthi bazobona iDerby. Ngisho namasonto aye abefundisi baphuma early bathethela amazwi ngoba wonke umuntu befuna ukubona ukuthi end of the day iDerby izokwenzakalani. Ngisho naseparlament bokune-off enkulu namhlanje, wonke ama-politician abela ezofakazi ukuthi afuna ukubona ukuthi end of 90 minutes kuzokwenzakalani. That is a Soweto Derby e-unite each and everyone, even nasomabhizinisi babe very happy. I think imali ekhandwe ngale Soweto Derby ngosomabhizinisi iyamangaza kakhulu. Support abayithola ama kwi-Derby, that's why iDerby misa yonke into because is an economy. Abafowethu bathobhile bawathola amasenti, ingane izake zithi ungalali singadlanga. Ingakho ke sikunqoma kweDerby ukuthi hayi wona amakhosi yona hayi ezenenye ngoba I was not expecting ukuthi abangasinikeza this tough time. Kodwa ke sesiyakwazi ukuthi lama team wo2 enye may on enye off avela ama surprise ayenze. Yeah, kodwa ke ngibonga ukuthi abafana bethu baprovile ukuthi bake formini noma ethi Chiefs ikwazi ukukora bakwazi ukuthi baphinde ba-equalize, and then that time for equalizing amanye ama-team awabuyi ukore ngasasikhathi. Yeah, kodwa iPirates kumele nje ukuthi ibuye. Yeah, sithi siyabonga kakhulu negame abasazoyidlala sobanikeza futhi support.
Yes, khona uqeda kwenzeka khona manje Chairman, yazi khona le mhlathuze iMamelodi Sundowns ayikhonanga ukuthola ama-points aphelela u3, bathole 1 point kusho ukuthi badrawile neRichards Bay. Leyo nto yalivusa ithemba le-league ukuthi still on.
Ya asimbonge uPapi Zothwane ngoba bese simbheke njengo-Eric Tinkler ukuthi ma izokhuluma kabuhlungwanyana athi yena akazulwela iPirates uzozilwela. Lokho bokhomba ukuthi uma ngabe bevumele ukudliwa iSundowns bokusho ukuthi umenziwa akumele agcine umqeqeshi owesaba i-opposition. I-opposition should be uyiface straight. Kwazi ukuthi mayifikile yena besilindele nje ukuthi athi mayifikile iSundowns ayizophuma iyophuma ngenhlanhla ngedraw njengayenzile ngempela yaphuma ngedraw. Sho ukuthi ke isibaya sikamenziwa sisaqhubeka siwumsamo omuhle ukuthi shothi kusetshenziswe ukuthi uma uyi-opposition angeke uphume ne-point, angeke uphume na-3 point, ongenani ngasuke uphume ne-point elilodwa. Ngalokho ukuthi uma ngabe idlala idraw kanilini siyabonga kakhulu ngoba ibetway isabukeke isazoba mnandi. Ya yona uba beyithiwa beyiwinile njengastrowile hayi bese izobamba. Ya siyabonga ukuthi uma ngabe badlala idraw kusho ukuthi hayi race is still on. Amabhakane awazibamba qine until egcineni siyo-celebrate. Ngicabanga ukuthi le champion ngizoyithenga kube ngifake efrijini ukuthi siyo-celebrate le eNorthwest eRoyal Mafokeng Stadium lapho uLeslie Manyathela asinikeza khona ikhaphu umashaya i-West between i-West University. Sabeke siyalifta ngomqeqeshi wayekhona ngaso sikhathi ngakho-ke namanje ukuthi no we'll never give up until the last game. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu chairman, ngicela sivale baba.
Siyabonga baba.
Thank you mfethu, bafethu PSL Pulse, please subscribe. Danko.